Cultural events and annual day celebration are back again in schools in Assam after 2 years of COVID-19 induced lockdowns and closure of the educational institution. After a long gap, it was time for students of Don Bosco School Panbazar to chill and exhibit their talent during the 2-day long annual day celebration at their school campus. The annual day 2022 was celebrated at the school auditorium on November 24th and 25th. On the first day, the chief guest was Most Reverend John Mulachira, Archbishop of Guwahati, and guest of honor was Kimnei Sangshan, Additional Secretary with the Government of Assam. On the second day, the chief guest was Father Janurius S. Sangma, SDB Provincial of Salesians of Guwahati Province, and guest of honor was Anurag Agrawal, IGP of Training and Armed Police of Assam Police. Around 1600 students from class KG to class 9 and class 11 participated in various events on both days. Students of class 10 and 11 were exempted from participation in the function as they have to prepare for the upcoming pre-board and board examination.
We are organizing our annual school day today and tomorrow. It's an annual feature. Because of the pandemic, last 3 years we could not have it. So this year we are organizing, and it is a mass participation of our students performing various type of items according to the level of the students in the school. We have students from KG up to class 12, and all the students of all the classes, 70% students are participating in this program here, and that itself requires a lot of effort in order to put them together in order to perform this. And you will be seeing the performance will be quite a good quality and a standard.
Don Bosco School Panbazar always does something different or unique whatever event they organize. The annual day 2022 was not an exception. The school celebrated the annual day by synchronizing the event with the 75th year of India's independence and 400th birth anniversary of Lachit Borphukan.
We want to send the message as we are celebrating the 75th year of our independence, as well as 400th year of the birth of our Assam great warrior, Sri Lachit Borphukan. And we are honoring both this event by this annual day. And also the main theme is also to give an impression to the people that we need to be always men of good valor, good courage in order to accept any challenge that comes in our life. And that is what we want to give the message by this performance on this day by the students.
The students captivated the audience with their scintillating performance of traditional, modern, classical, ethnic, and thematic dance forms. They had also enacted short drama highlighting India's evolution as a democratic, secular republic country. The 2-day event was organized with complete discipline and decorum. Before starting off cultural function on both days, participating students prayed to the Almighty. At the end, Father Sebastian Matthew thanked all teachers, non-teaching staff, students, and other stakeholders for their untiring dedication and hard work to make the annual day 2022 a grand success.